In this tutorial, we will learn coding data for caching. Coding data 3 and coding data for caching is totally different configuration. So this is latest coding data 4 and we will understand caching. If you are a beginner, this video will help you to understand file-based caching, memcached, wincache, redis, and dummy caching. Caching will help to improve your site performance. If you have thousands and millions of users of your site, if you did not caching, the user experience will be bad and user will not come back again. So caching is an important component that you must learn in coding data 4. So first step is download coding data, then extract and open coding data 4 in your code editor. And here we will understand caching. Step number 2, you will see like this of files and folders in your coding data 4. You have to go apps, then config, and here are a configuration file of a cache, which is cache.php. So let's open this. Then scroll down and you will see the mode of caching. Coding data allows us total 6 modes: dummy, file, ready, memcached, redis, and wincached. We can use one of them. Let's how. By default, coding data default mode is a file caching. It means all your data of a cache will store in a cache folder. So you can create this folder, copy, and you can create here new folder and cache. But already I have, so I'm not gonna create this. Alright, but this is deprecated by coding data 3 and coding data 4. This is old way, so I'm not gonna teach you this file system caching. Next, let's understand memcached. So you can change the mode of your caching system in a coding data 4. Just copy the memcached and scroll up, and you can set this memcached. So coding data 4 by default set memcached. In this tutorial, I will also show you how we can set up memcached in a cPanel. So I will show you in a minute. This is my cPanel. Here we will install memcached domain, and here are extensions. You can search here memcache. By clicking this checkbox, it will install memcached in your cPanel. Now you are ready to write a code for understanding caching. So let's close this cache.php file. Then go to app controllers, and here you can create new controller. My PHP class test and finish it. Let me remove unnecessary comments, zoom in, then extend this class base controllers, then create a one constructor and function, public function underscore construct. Let me create another function, public function test. You can give any name of your function, and here we will write a code to understand caching. So let me just data, and this data we want data to save in cache. So we have a function cache save function. It will take 3 parameters. First is the key. Any name you can give its name, key name. I will show in a minute. Then second is the data that you want to save, and third is the time. So save into cache for 5 minutes. So you can set any number, 5 minutes. Actually this is the millisecond, so I'm just storing data for 1 hour. This data will save in a cache. But before to save in a cache, first we need to check this cache data already exists or not. So let me write if and else condition. If so $key name is not exist, cache key name means this cache and key name is not exist, then we can save the data inside a cache. So this is the save function. Let me show you. We have saved the data in a cache and we want to get. So coding data for how class is service and service is cache, and you can store this service class inside a variable. Then you can call function cache and get, and what we want to get, this key name you can echo. Now let's run and see. So my class name is new PHP class test, new PHP class test, and have a function test. Nothing, because I'm on a local host and we set caching for memcached. So you have to change this memcached to file. Control S for save, and let's refresh. So this is data save in cache. So this global function service and cache will help you to get. You can call the methods to get the data by a key by get method. You can also delete the cache by delete function, delete data deleted, so data deleted. So in a cache, we just simply store a string inside a cache. If you have any array, have a database values and anything you can store inside a cache, and this is the time that your cache will expire. So this was very small tutorial based on caching in a CodeIgniter 4. If you have any questions and doubt, you can write a comment. I'm here to help you. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.